Hi guys, welcome back. Listen, I got a little project handed to me this morning. Um, we've been having problems trying to grow things out of the yard. The animals, the rabbits, the raccoons, the chipmunks, they just rip it all up. And even the deer get in there stomping around. So we decided to try something a little different, put a little rack up on the deck and just grow some spices and maybe a few cherry tomatoes or something like that. So we got the rack in the mail yesterday, so today is my turn to put it together. Let's go out to the driveway. Okay, here we are in the driveway. You can see it's a 41 by 15 shelf. Looks like it's taped up pretty good. Got one little dent in the box here. It's from China, of course. I think everything is coming from China now. Looks like it's wrapped up pretty good in bubble wrap. Got a little bit of styrofoam in there. There's the hardware package, doesn't look too bad. Oh, good. Directions with numbers and letters, just one side. Should be pretty easy. So let's get the styrofoam out of the way and start unpackaging everything. One last look at the directions here. Doesn't look too complicated. Only got a little more than a dozen screws, so they give you an Allen wrench. That's great. Got a couple little wood pins or dowel rods ready to go, and they're a hex drive, Allen driver. So I got two different sizes of those. I got the Allen driver here and a pair of pliers in case I need it. And so the first thing we're going to do is put the dowel rod in the end of the cross piece, and we got the side piece, and we're going to mount the sides together, a dowel rod and one screw. There's three on one side. Let's get those done. And then we're going to flip it over to the other side, make them nice and snug. And it already has some kind of a light varnish finish on it, so it's not too bad. Seems a little flimsy, but it's nice and light. Okay, we put the front supports on to hold it. Now we got to put some cross pieces on. Everything is pre-drilled and looks like they're even. Shouldn't have to remeasure everything. All the cross pieces are the same size, so it doesn't matter if it goes first, second, or third. We're going to put the third one in down at the bottom. The racks are pretty easy to go on. There's one screw on each side in the back. The front just rests on the cross pieces. So we're going to slide this in, drop a screw in the back, and I'm going to tighten that down. And what we're going to do then is flip it over, and I put all three screws in the holes. I got everything lined up on the other side. So it's just a matter of gently flipping it over. We don't want to crack anything. I already saw there was one flaw in there. So there's three holes on this side. Put the screws in, tighten them down, and we should be good to go. So, like I say, this is something we're going to put out on the deck. Put some small pots out there with some different spices and things in it. So there we go. Didn't take long at all. Probably 40 minutes start to finish. Looks like it's pretty sturdy. Three nice size shelves. Only have two screws left over. How I like that. Usually I don't have enough. This is the only flaw that I saw. There's a little crack in there. The rest of it seems pretty solid. Looks like it'll hold a decent amount of weight. Here we have it out on the deck, and we put the strawberry plant on the left and as an azalea on the right. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Didn't take long. I have to be honest though, I did speed up the film a little bit because we didn't want to be out there for 40 minutes putting that shelf together. But worked out pretty good. It seems nice and sturdy for the small amount of things we're going to put on it. I did find a squirrel up there sniffing around everything, so he did get on the deck. And I guess he's waiting for the strawberries to come through. He's going to help himself. So I only found that one little flaw in it, one little crack. It was pretty good quality. Can't complain about it at all. Hope that was enjoyable and you learned something from it. I would recommend it. It didn't cost a lot of money. She got it off of one of the websites. I'm not really sure which one. If that's important, drop me a comment and I'll get the information for you. But got the project done right away. Got the rest of Saturday to myself. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, almost forgot. Hit that subscribe button. We need more subscribers, and ring the bell so you get notified next time we put a video up. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. We'll see you next time. Be safe.